Hi guys, nagka-snowflakes ulit. Ayan, pero hindi siya gaano marami. At umaraw na siya. Ayan siya guys, snowflakes, kaunti lang.
Hello everybody. We are on our way to Soap Lake again, and it was snowing a little while ago. It stopped now. It's a little bit foggy up this direction, it looks like.
Hi guys, yan yung ating weather for today. Puro puti yung makikita guys. May time na nag-snowflakes, tapos stop, and then balik na naman. Makulimlim na naman yung weather. Bababa na naman tayo. Tapos aakyat na naman.
Snowflakes,
Oh,
very few.
ayan.
But can you see them?
Yes, little. May snowflakes na naman na bumalik. Nawawala tapos babalik. Konti lang. madilim, yan yung snowfall, snowflakes. Dumadami na naman. Hello guys, ibang way naman kami. Yan naman yung view dito, puro rocks. Ibang daan na naman.
Oh well, there's a few there.
Walang puno.
Rose Gate cows.
Walang puno. Yung bahay ang lalayo ng agwat. Meron isa dun sa taas. Bahay sa baba. First time ko na dumaan dito.
Another way to Soap Lake.
This one,
Yeah.
part of Soap
It,
Lake.
it will come out kind of by my house. There's quite a few cans here.
Pababa kami guys. What is that there?
Yeah, that's a fish hatchery too. This is where they raise the fish. That's a trout. They hatch them from eggs and then they keep them in here for so long. Once they get a little bit bigger, then they set them free into the lakes and stuff. Yeah. Yep, that's where they raise them at.
What kind of
Trout.
fish?
Trout.
Oh, there's a bird. What is
Seagull.
that? A seagull.
Probably hunting for a free dinner.
This is the fish.
Yeah, I think so. Trout lodge.
Paakyat kami guys.
See?
Wow.
there in a couple minutes.
Yan, may lake.
That Rocky Ford,
Oh.
we go across to go to church.
Yeah.
That there is the water going under it. Okay, do you know where we're at now?
Where?
Do you?
Okay.
Do you know where we're at now?
Yeah, near to your place. This is the new house that they
Yeah.
built.
Yeah,
Oh.
because we come out right here.
Yeah,
remember?
that's road going there.
Yeah.
I can see first time that I am passing that way, my love.
I know. I
Oh,
figured you
my.
would like to see.
Oh my, that's the highway there.
Yeah.
Oh,
So now you know where we're at. We're gonna see the
Yeah.
baka up here in a little bit.
yes. Ang lapit lang pala sa place ni Kano. First time kong nakadaan dyan, guys. Hi guys. Hello, my love.
Hello.
Have a great day.
Yes, yes, by all means.
Still
Have a blessed
cold
day.
outside. Oh wow. There's a traffic also here. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
It looks like the
wow.
Philippines a little bit. Not quite, but just a little. California, New York.
What?
If you're there, then it's worse than Filipino.
Oh my.
It can take you hours to go just a little ways.
Oh, Harbor Creek.
Yeah.
Oh, laundry mat.
Oh, wow.
Punta
Oh,
kami
okay.
ng hospital, guys. Magbabayad ng bill ng aking ipin last time na nagpabunot. Grabe, sobrang mahal. Isang ipin lang worth $370 US. Wow. Philippine money, how much? Philippine money, more than 10K. Wow, 5, 6, 10, 15. Oh, more than 15K. Ganun kamahal. Yan yung hospital, guys. Sa kabila. What's the name of the hospital? Moses Lake Community Health Center. Yan, guys. Oops. Akyat kami. Yan yung hospital.
Hello, everyone. We're in here looking for chicken.
Pizza, my love.
Is that chicken pizza?
Which one? the chicken.
Oh wow. $2 for pizza.
Where?
For those?
And $6, my love. Oh. This one, my love. Ay, wings. That is wings. The one breast, my love. Chicken breast. How many?
I don't know. Two, I guess.
2. And then pizza, my love.
Okay, pizza.
Same flavor. Only same flavor.
Yep.
No more flavor.
Pepperoni and sausage. That one's
What?
pepperoni
How about
and
this
sausage.
one? Pepperoni. And then
This one here is pepperoni, and that one there's pepperoni and sausage. There's a supreme.
this one.
Wow, wait.
Yes. Okay. That this is
Oh, are you
3
done?
pizza. Yep.
Go check out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big line. All right, come on, let's get open up here.
Yep.
Okay, where's the scanner?
Yeah, at the back. How much? $19.9. Babayad na si Kano. Okay. Check your basket. Okay, my love. Change. Chicken and pizza lang yung binili namin dito, guys, kasi mura lang. At pupunta naman kami sa kabilang store. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. Good morning. Andito naman kami sa grocery outlet. At naghahanap ng mabibili, guys. Need ko i-record yung voice kasi mayroon music at ano na naman ito, copyright. Pero yung ibang store wala silang music, pero dito meron. Kaya need na mag-record ng voice. hinahanap namin yung paper towel na mura at maganda, kasi before nakabili kami dito kaso wala na silang stock. Naghahanap kami ng mura. Minsan yan yung prepare namin pang hapunan ni Kano. Yan yung price ng Coffee Mate, $2.99. And then sugar, brown sugar yung binibili namin, guys. Tapos ayan, hotdog tsaka bacon. Ayan din yung binibili namin, guys. $0.99. And then smoked ham. Masarap din yung smoked ham nila. And then paminta. Yan yung vegetables section nila, guys. Mahal na rin yung bell pepper. Dalawa, $5. Oh, wow. Yung binili namin na bell peppers, assorted na siya. Yan yung mga price ng frozen food. Yung chicken breast dito mahal, kaya doon kami sa kabila bumili. Yan yung tomatoes. Yun yung mga drinks. Ang mamahal na rin ng price, guys. Ayan yung aming drinks na iniinom. Hindi gaano matamis. And then, naghahanap kami ng cookies. Yung binili namin garlic bread. Masarap na rin yung bread nila dyan. And then, yan yung aking favorite. Mocha. Thank you guys.